not know this, but we're actually expert taste testers on a professional level.
First, the boys must melt down 500 pounds of butter into a giant tank.
That's a lot of butter.
That butter is transported into a giant kettle, which is then mixed with simple, high-quality ingredients to create our caramel.
And now we're adding the rest of the ingredients to the caramel. The first ingredient is the real brown sugar.
And we're also pumping in real condensed milk and real creamer. Everything's real.
The kettle slowly cooks the ingredients, turning everything into liquid gold.
Now the machine's gonna mix it all up and it's gonna go into these chambers behind us to cook.
Once the caramel is ready, it's poured into a massive kettle cooker, waiting to meet our chocolate.
This batch is 500 pounds of caramel.
Which equates to over 12,000 chocolate bars.
As the caramel cooks, the boys get to work on creating the rich chocolate that Feastables is known for.
These are the chocolate wafers, and now we're gonna melt them down to prepare the molds for the chocolate.
When it's go time, both the caramel and the chocolate flow into the mold at the same time.
And this is where the chocolate and the caramel combine.
Once the bars have set, they head up into a cooling tower where they're chilled for about 20 minutes.
Now that the bars are cooled, they get moved over here and thumped to get demolded.
Before they can be wrapped, every bar gets checked right on the floor.
Maria here is part of the quality team. Her job is to make sure that the chocolate matches the weight and size of what we're going for. How are these ones looking?
I want to take the dip, the caliper right here. Check.
Is that a good height?
It is.
That's perfect?
Absolutely.
It's a perfectly shaped chocolate bar.
These bars are wrapped at a pace of 160 bars per minute.
And this is where the bars get wrapped and then boxed by hand.
We're gonna try our first caramel bar.
Cheers.
That's good.
Yeah, this is my new favorite, actually. The people were right. We should have done caramel earlier.
Before we ship out our boxes of Feastables, we swab for allergens, microbes, and once every test is passed, the boxes are loaded onto trucks on their way to a store near you. And there you have it, from our cacao farms of West Africa to our intense research labs. You've seen the links we go through to ethically source this cacao so kids can get out of illegal child labor and get into school. You've also seen how obsessed we are over the caramel and how we took no shortcuts. We do everything we can to make this chocolate bar as good as it possibly can be. So the next time you're walking through a store and you're in a chocolate aisle like this, you have a decision to make. Support the status quo, or buy a chocolate bar that tastes better, is better for the farmers, and better for you. The brand new caramel bar is available at Walmart, Target, and Albertsons. It's gonna taste amazing. Go give it a try.